Hello everyone! It's great to see you again! Today we're gonna paint a pineapple together. Let's go! Let's take an orange marker and draw a big oval. After that, draw curved lines in two opposite directions, just like this. Now we can see diamond shapes. Now I'm gonna paint its green leaves. One after another. I'm going to draw its eyes. Then I'll give it a smile. I take a lighter green marker to paint its leaves. Next, I'll take a light yellow marker to paint the pineapple. Now let's paint its cheeks. Now let's take a picture of it.
Wow!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe for more art adventures like this one. See you soon, friends. Bye!